Okay, we're going to solve these linear equations that have fractions. First, we're going to find the least common multiple. Our denominators are 3 and 2. Let's look at the 3 and 2 timetables. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And I see here that our least common multiple is going to be 6. So we're going to take 6 and we're going to multiply it times the entire expression. So we'll take 5 thirds equals 1 plus 5 halves x and multiply everything by 6. If there's a denominator, we're going to use division before we use multiplication. So this will be 6 divided by 3, which is 2, times 5. This will be 6 times 1, which will just be 6 times 1. And 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 5x. This will give us a 10 equals 6 equals, plus 15x. And now we can solve for x by isolation by getting rid of the positive 6. We'll subtract 6 from both sides. This will give us 4 equals 15x. We'll take the 4 equals 15x and divide both sides by 15. Once I divide both sides by 15, I'll get x equals 4/15, which does not simplify. Next, let's try this one. Okay, we have 5/6 equals 4/9 x minus 2. Okay, and we want to find the LCD. So let's go through the 6 timetables and 9 timetables. 6 and 9s. So we have 12, 18, 24, and 30. We have, for the 9 timetables, we have 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. And I see 18 will be the least common multiple. So we're going to multiply all sides by 18. Now, before we do the multiplication, we'll do division. So we'll have 18 divided by 6, which is 3 times 5. 18 divided by 9, which will be 2 times 4, x. And then 18 times 2, which will just have 18 times 2. Okay, now let's multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 4 will give us 8 with an x, minus 18 times 2 is 36. Now we can isolate for x. So we're going to add 36 to both sides. And this will give us about 51 equals 8x. This cancels. We're going to take our 51 equals 8x and divide both sides by 8. This will give us, let me get some more room here, 51 over 8 equals 1x. That'll be our solution. Okay, next. We have 5/8 x minus 4 equals 5 over 4. Now, let's go through the 8 timetables and the 4 timetables. We have 8, 16, 32, sorry, 8, 16, 24, sorry, skipped 24, then there's 32, and then there's 40. For the 4 timetables, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. And I see that the LCD, or LCM, will be 8. Okay, so let's use 8. So multiply everything by 8. Here, here, here. Before we do the multiplication, we'll do division. So 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 5x. minus, this will be 4 times 8. And the next one is 8 divided by 4 will be 2 times the 5. Okay, as a result, 1 times 5 will give us 5x. 4 times 8 will give us 32. And 2 times 5 will give us 10. Now to isolate the x, we're going to add 32 to both sides. So we get 5x equals 42. Let's raise that up a little bit. Okay, and from here, we're going to take the 5x equals 42 and divide both sides by 5. If I divide by 5, I get 1x equals 42 over 5, and that fraction does not simplify.